The 11 general orders. Number 1, to take charge of dispose and all company properties in view. Protect the same with utmost diligence. Number 2, to walk during my tour of duty in an alert manner and observing everything within sight or hearing. Number 3, to report all violations and orders I am instructed to enforce. Number 4, to relay all orders from security house more distance from the post that I am stationed. Number 5, to quit my post only when properly relieved. Number 6, to receive, obey, and pass on to the relieving guards all orders from company officials, supervisors, or ship leaders. Number 7, to talk to no one except in line of duty. Number 8, to give alarm in case of fire or disorders. Number 9, to call the superior officers in any case not covered by instruction. Number 10, to salute all company officials, officers in the agency, and the PNP. Number 11, to be especially watchful at night and during the time of the challenging, to challenge all persons near my post and to allow no one to pass or loiter without proper authority. Thank you for watching.